Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see our new chapter in social and political life, chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. In that main one, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Due to what has India become a subcontinent? A strange, B. Oddities, C. Diversities, and D. Specialities. Answer is C. Specialities. Number 2. Which religion do the people of Punjab follow? A. Buddhism, B. Zoroastrianism, C. Jainism, and D. Sikhism. Answer is option D. Sikhism. Number 3. Which language do the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana speak? A. Telugu, B. Kannada, C. Tamil, and D. Malayalam. Answer is option A. Telugu. Number 4. Which language do the people of Karnataka speak? A. Malayalam, B. Tamil, C. Kannada, and D. Telugu. Answer is option C. Kannada. Number 5. Which is the famous dance of Uttar Pradesh? A. Kuchipudi, B. Bharatnatyam, C. Kathak, and D. Kathakali. Answer is option C. Kathak. Question number 6. What is the famous dance of Kerala? A. Kathakali, B. Kathak, C. Kuchipudi, and D. Bharatnatyam. Answer is option A. Kathakali. Number 7. Which is the famous dance of Tamil Nadu? A. Bharatnatyam, B. Kuchipudi, C. Kathak, and D. Kathakali. Answer is option A. Bharatnatyam. Number 8. Which is the famous dance of Assam? A. Odissi, B. Bihu, C. Kathakali, and D. Ghumar. Answer is option B. Bihu. Number 9. Ghumar is a well-known dance of the people of which state? A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, and D. Kerala. Answer is option B. Rajasthan. Number 10. Who said if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept the need of national unity? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. Radhakishan, D. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Answer is option C. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Number 11. By which right of Constitution of Independent India has untouchability been abolished? A. Constitutional remedies, B. Independence, C. Religious freedom, and D. Equality. Answer is option D. Equality. Now we will see the main two filling in the blanks. Number 1. People of Maharashtra mostly speak blanks language. Answer is Marathi language. Number 2. People of Punjab are known for blanks dance. Answer is Bhangra. Number 3. People celebrating Mahavir Jayanti follow blanks religion. Answer is Jain. Number 4. Ras Garba of blank state is famous in India. Answer is Gujarat. Now we will see the next page. Number 5. Parsis celebrate the festival of blanks. Answer is Pateti. Number 6. The people of Punjab celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. Number 7. Blanks is the main festival of the people of Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Holi. Number 8. Blanks is the famous dance of the people of Rajasthan. Answer is Ghumar. Number 9. Blanks is the famous dance of Maharashtra. Lavani is the famous dance of Maharashtra. Number 10. Blanks is the a unique feature of our country. Answer is unity in diversity. Number 11. India made the filling of blanks true in the world. Answer is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Number 12. In the terms of religion, India is a blanks country. Answer is secular. Number 13. People of India live life with a feeling of cooperation. Number 14. In our country, girls become victims of evil customs due to lower blanks rate. Answer is literacy. Number 15. Birth of boy is given preference in society, so girls become victims of blanks. Answer is female feticide. Number main 3. Put a tick mark right in the box against the following statements if they are true and a cross marks wrong if they are false. Number 1. In the post-independence years, discrimination is gradually decreasing. It's a true, right. Number 2. Our country is made up of cities. It's wrong, false. Number 3. Some seats are not reserved in election. It's wrong, false. all religions are given equal importance in our country. It's a true, right? Number 5, Konkani language is a language of Maharashtra. It's right, true. Number 16, in Gujarat, the festival of Onam is celebrated with a great pomp. It's wrong, false. Number 7, Kathak dance is a famous dance of Tamil Nadu. It's wrong, false. Number 8, Bharatnatyam is a famous dance of Kerala. It's wrong, false. Number 9, in the national anthem composed by Rabindranath Tagore, Indian unity is expressed. It's wrong, false. Number 10, diversity in unity is an important feature of Indian culture. It's wrong, false. Number 11, even today, differences based on caste are seen in Indian society. It's a true, right? Number 12, the right to free and compulsory education has started to provide opportunities for secondary education. It's wrong, false. Now we will see the main 4 in the next video, part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.